The living area again is very spacious for you to add. This will be your kitchen, which is like I mentioned. The master bedroom is the best part about this apartment. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of NCC Urban Signature Towers by NCC Urban Infrastructure Limited, and the project is located in Sollingalanur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project, and this behind me is your marketing office, and that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Next, coming over to the project overview, NCC Urban Signature Towers is a premium residential apartment project which is spread across approximately 7.6 acres of land offering. The project consists of 7 residential towers, each with 2 levels of parking, 1 stilt, plus 15 floors and houses, which is a total unit of 770 residential, well designed 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments. Coming over to the amenities part, the project offers a lot of lifestyle amenities such as a clubhouse which is 15,000 square feet. There is swimming pool, a fully equipped gymnasium, jogging track, children's play area, indoor games, landscape open spaces, and many more. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Sollingalanur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Now, as you can see, this is the connectivity for the road. The nearby connectivity OMR IT corridor only 5 minutes away from here. Sollingalanur Junction only 5 minutes away. Leading schools and colleges also 5 minutes away from here. And the Chennai City connectivity via OMR is just a few minutes away from here. Now we will be doing the actual sample flat tour for NCC Urban Signature Towers for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 1510 square feet. Let's get started. So this will be your entrance door, and this will have your proper normal lock system. And right in front of that, there's a small space given for you to design that into your mirror entrance, or you can add your shoe rack on this side of the corner or design it however you like. Now, as we enter, we will first notice our dining table. Now, the dining table is designed in such a way that it has been given this open European style of dining in front of your kitchen. And as you can see, it is placed in a very extremely spacious area. So you can add a long dining table here as well for more family members. And right in front of that, you will have your living area. The living area again is very spacious for you to add enough couches on each side of the room. You can just add it extra over there as well, and then electric units have been placed. You can add your TV on this side of the room. Proper storage units can be designed in your living area. And then right in front of that, you will have your balcony. So this is the balcony. The balcony gives you a very proper view of your backyard or the location, and you can add your extra sofas, chairs, tables here, or your plants, and design your balcony however you like. And like I mentioned, the dining table is designed in a very open kitchen space, European style thing. So this will be your kitchen, which is, like I mentioned, an open kitchen type of thing. So there's an extra storage area designed over here. So you can place your fridge over here. The electric unit has also been given. The kitchen flooring is also proper marble flooring, and you have proper ventilation system from here as well as from here as well, the windows are placed exactly opposite to your kitchen counter. Now, your kitchen also has an attached dry balcony, which is again extremely so spacious that you can add 2 washing machines here, or you can add your laundry as well. And this also gives you an open sight view of the location for proper ventilation. This side of the kitchen, you will notice a small corner made for you, so you can add an extra wash basin on this side for your guest, or design it however you like. Now, right in front of all this comes your first bedroom. As you can see, it is extremely close to your entrance, to your dining and to your living area. But before that, right next to your first bedroom, you will have your open washroom, so the guest can also use this. Again, the floorings are vitrified and there has been given proper light systems in the washroom, also proper shower systems with good amount of ventilation source. So this is your first bedroom. As you can see, the first bedroom is also very extremely spacious and comes with enough amount for storage units of your room that you can place on each corner of your room, like your drawers on both sides of your room and your closet on the other side of your room. The room also comes with proper window systems given to you, which give you again a backside view of your location. And when you open the windows, again you get good amount of ventilation and sunlight here as well. Now we'll be moving forward into our second bedroom, which is again very close to your living area. So this is your second bedroom. You must have noticed it is a little more spacious than your first bedroom. As you can see, it is designed in a way where you can add your extra storage units or your designs of the room in one corner, and right beside that you may add your wardrobe. Now here, this side of the room this space can be again used for adding your study table, your drawing table, your bookshelf in a room, however you like. And again, your room comes with a proper window system. As you can see, this room as well gives you a very nice backside view of your location, which has good sunlight source. Proper electric units have also been placed on each corner of your room. Now we'll be moving forward with the washroom. This room also has an attached washroom, which again has vitrified tiling and proper lighting system in your washroom, which again comes with proper ventilation system, shower system and proper mirrors. Now, before moving into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. As you can see, when you go to Housey's website, you will notice everything that you need to know about the project. We also give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will also find there pros and cons of the project. You will also notice EMI, down payment options, and we also provide you with exclusive pricing details. We also give you a 360 virtual tour of the project. And if you want to visit or book a free site visit, you can schedule it by clicking the link which will be mentioned in the description below. Or if you want, you can go to Housey's website, which is www.housey.com. Now, let's get into our master bedroom. The master bedroom is the best part about this apartment. As you can see, it is designed in a very open area space, luxury space type, because this side of the room is extremely given for you to add extra storage units, and you can also place your TV on this side of the room. And then here again you have extra space given, so you can add extra wardrobes under, or you can add extra storage units of your room. And then that side comes your wardrobe that can be added on that side. And as you can see, the height ceiling of the room is also given very nicely, so you can add your extra storage on the top of the room as well. Now, the master bedroom also comes with proper window systems. The windows also again give you a very good sight view of your backyard, the location, with good amount of sunlight and ventilation. Your master bedroom again comes with an attached washroom. The attached washroom for your master bedroom is going to be much more spacious, which will again have proper lighting systems for your mirror and vitrified tiles, proper shower system and proper ventilation system given. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour for NCC Urban Signature Towers for 3 BHK. Hope you liked the video. For more such walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housing.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.